Hi there, I'm Suma Babu, the artist behind Palette Life. My channel will provide you with art, craft and gardening related videos. So check those in my playlist which I have already posted. Some of you have asked to make simple painting videos. They wanted to start canvas painting. So in this video we will learn some brush control practices for those who are starting really new, and we'll do one simple canvas painting. Before starting a canvas, you have to be friendly with your paint and brushes. So for that we need to do some painting practices. This you can practice in your A4 size sheet also. Here I am using a plain drawing book. Other than that, we need some acrylic colors, 2 bowls of water, one for cleaning the brush and the other one for diluting the paint, a palette, tissue paper or a rag, and some brushes. You can take filberts, flat brush or a round brush, but a liner brush is a must-have. Then we need a ruler and a pencil or a sketch pen. Let's see some brush control practices. Draw some random shapes. You can use pencil if you want, then fill them with paint. Any colors will do. Try to give even brush strokes and follow any one direction. Next we'll do some merging practices. This also you can try with any 2 colors. Here you have to see the transition from light to dark tone. It should be smooth, so check the process. And the third practice is make few boxes using sketch pen or a pencil. Then fill the first box using thin lines. Use a liner brush here. And in the second box, fill with dot. Try to make similar size dots. And in the third box, make some curvy lines. Fill the fourth box with cross hatching. You can include any practices which need conscious controlling of your brush. Next practice is make a big box, or you can practice in the whole page. That is, simply draw any freehand lines. You can make anything using your wrist to draw in this practice. Make sure the lines are of the same thickness all the time. Our fifth practice is pattern making. You can make any petal or a leaf shape using single brush stroke. Our next practice is outlining using a liner brush. The same practice we can do in a different way. First we have to paint, then we have to give the outline. These are some practices I have done using the same technique. Now, using these techniques, we will make an easy canvas painting. If you don't have a canvas, you can paint it on the same drawing book or on A4 size sheet. So I am ready with my painting materials. Let's see how to paint a simple scenery. I am using a big flat brush for the base wash. Taking some teal blue for the sky. Using olive green underneath it. Using some white acrylic color for painting some clouds in the sky. Next I am mixing chrome yellow and orange together and making flowers directly with the paint. Don't worry about the shape much. We can always correct it while giving highlights. After that, make the details on the flower. Next step is painting stems and leaves. We need olive green, light green, chrome yellow, white and black for that. The lines are used to make the stem. You have to add different tones of leaves here. The highlight has to be given in the end.